Nice question number 7, how it combines one distribution and then the next. X equals houses sold in the week, and they average 1.8, so X is a Poisson 1.8. And we've got 3 basic parts to it to begin with. We've got no houses sold, we've got 3 houses sold, and at least 3 houses sold. So we've just got those usual things there. So exactly, and I want exactly 0 with a mean of 1.8. So that is 0.165. We also want that to be a 3, and so that's just 0.161. And the one for greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to 3, is 0.269. And this one's interesting. This is what we're being asked to do in part B. We're asked, we want to sell more than 3 houses. But they're going to say, well, in 4 weeks, how many times does she sell more than 3 houses? So X equals the number of weeks in which 3 or more houses sold. And this time we're actually into a binomial distribution because we know that there's 4 weeks. And we know of the chance of winning that week. Well, winning that week is this value here, this 0.269. And the question says, find out the probability that over 4 consecutive weeks she meets her weekly target exactly once. So we just want this to equal 1. So using the calculator here, we're now going to go back to the binomial over here. We've got an exact one here, so that one here, we want it exactly equal to 1 out of 4, and the probability of winning there was 0.269, and that gives us 0.4203, 0.420. I mean, that's the right answer. I'm just a little bit concerned about the rounding that I made from here to here. I've just been playing about with the calculator, trying to see if I can actually not round it. I've found out one way of doing it. So I've got my Poisson distribution here, and this was the calculation I did here, and it gives me the answer this 0.2693. And what I've then done is I've then gone to the run menu, and I've brought up that. So my gone variable statistics, where did I go now? Result distributions P. And that's how I got a P there. And what I've then done is I've stored that, and I bet there's a better way of doing this. I've stored that into X. So now I've stored that big long probability value in X, and I'll go back to my distributions menu. And now I'm doing the binomial. And there's the value there I put in. It wasn't exact, but I'm just going to put X in instead, and it's put in the big long value that I just did. Of course, it's not changed my answer. I've still got 0.4202, but I'm a little bit happier that I've now used an exact value and I didn't round anywhere in the question. There might be a better way of doing that. I'm going to look into it.